Josh harvested so far. He harvested some lemons to make
lemonade. I'm gonna make a big batch today. Big cup.
Big batch of lemonade. Can I see? Ooh, nice. What else are you harvesting today?
Calamansi, of course.
Okay.
Can you get the basket and get some calamansi, please? So I can tie it to the bee and aid it with a flower.
Sure.
I gave him like a leaf for him to look.
Where?
There.
Oh. Oh, there's a bee here.
He's on the ethanol from the flowers.
Oh.
He tried to pollinate them, but the ethanol from the flowers that happens only seasonal. We got him junk.
Oh. I see. Maybe it's thirsty. You want to put a little bit of water?
Sure.
I think it has more energy now. Calamansi tree. What do you prefer? Like the ripe or like combination of ripe and not so ripe? Josh is in charge with making our like juice. He volunteered. Blueberry bush. Not ready yet. I'm here to show you the nectarine flowers. Some flowers. This one is a milkweed. This is where monarch butterflies lay their eggs. And this is a nectarine tree with flowers. Lots of calamansi here. Like semi-ripe calamansi. Smells so good. Let's just kind of touch the ones on like way up there. Oh my gosh, there's a nest, George. I don't know what kind of nest. I'm scared. Maybe this is like, oh, maybe this is a hummingbird nest. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is. How do we go? I don't know what kind of nest this one is. It could be a hornet. What's that hornet nest? So next day I went to check, and there are 2 eggs, and they are from a hummingbird. Not sure if you can see, but she is right there. She's right there. There you go. Voila, there you go. You see? That's. Oh my gosh! Josh will be really happy to see this. Ooh. Hello, hummingbird. She's going to her nest. Hummingbird is actually on its nest right now. There are 2 eggs there. Josh, come here, Josh. I'll show you the roses. They are so fragrant too. How does it smell, Josh?
It smells good. This is my harvest.
And our beautiful roses. Is ripe. Here's the lemon that I harvested from the backyard garden. It's really nice when there's like leaf. It makes it like look really like homegrown, versus you cannot buy like lemons with still a leaf clinging to it at the grocery store. Let me wash this first, and then let's prepare our salad. I have chicken wings in the oven and will be ready in 25 minutes. Now let's put this salad together. So I have garbanzo beans here. Let's add more garbanzo beans. Garbanzo beans are really yummy. Let me put this on the side. Sorry, it's a cloud. So from the dishwasher, I should have not like started with it. Let's put tomatoes. These are super cute, super ripe tomatoes, and super juicy tomatoes. I washed them already. This is just putting the ingredients together. Tomatoes, and then avocado. Yum yum. Garbanzo beans, and then shallot. What else do you put on your garbanzo salad? Perfect on the chicken wings. It's like easy to prepare dinner. The chicken wings, you just prepare it and then just put it in the oven and wait for it until it's ready. Same thing with this one. This is just like putting all the ingredients together. Let's add cucumbers. Two is enough. And then herbs. Some mint, parsley, a little bit of cilantro. There you go. This is large avocado. Beautiful. Lemon from the backyard garden. Juice of 1 lemon. Get the seed. And we get all the juice. And then the lemon zest. Olive oil. And then my hands are wet. Za'atar. Sumac. And then Maldon salt. And that's it. Let's try this. And maybe we need to add here's our salad. This is a great like spring or summer salad. Look at how pretty. And here's my salad. I'm just waiting for the chicken wings. And our juice is ready too. The lemon, calamansi, and kumquat juice that Josh made. Wings, salad are ready. And the juice. Yes. It's the juice. The juice. Here's our salad. Eating time. I am meeting a friend for lunch at Porto's. I haven't seen her in a long time. I've got the yummy cakes here. And the bread. This is where they make the drinks. The Cubana. Here's my food, the Cubana. I get husband and Josh drinks. I think this is for Josh, the other one is for the husband. One is mango and one is passion fruit. Over Cubana here, half of it. The prices here are like super reasonable. So for those 3 guava strudels, 1 almond croissant, 2 chicken empanada, 2 potato bowls, 2 smoothies, only $26, $26.27. That's why they are like really popular. I'm grocery shopping here at Ralph's today. I missed Amazon's dash cart. It's only spring, but we are like into like summer vibes now. Husband likes this bread. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese. My shopping for this. It's just right here. 7 blueberries and finally back home. Tiring. The Noah's bagel. The Amazon package is here. Should I close the gate or you're still expecting more? And the Noah's bagels. Over from the Korean restaurant for lunch, we have japchae and this is soup. Beef short rib soup. And husband has like some leftover fish and chips from, what's the name of the place, Josh? Saint and Second. That's where we had lunch yesterday. Josh, how do you call your drink, Josh?
Kylie lemon juice. I'm done with it, but there's too much, so I had to pour some into it.
Toys. We are finally giving away some with Josh. Baby toys and books. We're going to Paris Baguette right here. Should we get a cake or pastries? Want to pastry?
We're getting a cake. I would give him tiramisu cake.
Which one? We picked different ones. No?
Pastry.
Like that? Those are like so cute now. Okay, let's get the cream cheese pastry. That one. But be gentle now. Here at Paris Baguette. Yeah, one of yeah. And then one more. Now we're taking the freeway.
In a half mile.
Traffic jam. Josh school. Be here. Josh was here since he was 5 months old until 2 years old, and then he moved to the next door school. Bringing the toys. Gosh. Maybe take the truck, the 2 truck. Now we're going to the park. Trees here. We need to parking Tuesday 10 a.m. to noon. We're in Studio City to have lunch, late lunch. Thank you. We're here at Daichan. This is my favorite here. Make poke bowl. And Josh is having this poke bowl too. Daichan is having customer here. They're actually closed now.
Okay.
So that's the lunch. It's so yummy. One of my favorites. going home. Josh is tired. And you're too young to be tired. Popular place, Johnson 3rd. They have yummy food. Look at that tide
Is
cleaners.
that the real tide?
I'm not sure if that is a real tide, right? I don't think you can use it if it's not. Maybe they have their like, maybe Tide opened up like some cleaners.
Now we're going home.
Today's dinner is super easy and super quick to prepare, less than 30 minutes. Main ingredients are like this: little pasta, frozen green peas, pancetta, and pecorino romano. Really simple. So today is Pasta Tuesday. Olive oil first. I use this pancetta. Let's take out the pancetta. To white olive. The pancetta is so good, let's just cook the rest. Let's add a generous amount of green peas. Season the green peas. Add hot water. Once green peas is cooked, I'll blend half of this to make it creamy. I'm using the Italian pasta. I just added the pasta. Just need to cook this for 5 minutes. Now let's add back this like pea mixture. Oh, look at that! Look at how beautiful pecorino romano. Let's use all the entire thing to make it creamy. Then the pancetta. Oh, look at that. Let's add that. All pea, right? Pasta, pancetta, peas, and pecorino romano. Nice. Yum yum. Eating time.
Okay, which one do you want?
I can, whatever you like.
Okay.
Okay. And then I will share this.